Happy morning, children. We will solve practice at 6.3. The first question says, the following table shows the information regarding the milk collected from farmers on a milk collection center. And the content of fat in the milk is measured by a lactometer. See, lactometer is an instrument to measure the content of fat. That is given to you, and milk collected is also given in liters. And percentage of fat is given. Now, find the mod of fat content. So, we will solve it now. So, first thing is make two columns and write it like this. And after that, first you have to check whether here the classes are continuous or not. That is, upper limit should be equal to lower limit. Upper limit should be equal to lower limit. The classes are continuous, then your work is easy. Only two columns are required if the classes are continuous for mod. Okay, now you have to find the class which contains maximum frequency. Which class is having maximum frequency here? See, the highest frequency is 80, right? So you will write here 80. Then highest frequency is 80, but for which class is having the highest frequency 80? 4 to 5. So this is called as your model class, 4 to 5. See. Okay, this is your model class. Why model class? Because it is having maximum frequency. The highest frequency, okay, the class which contains highest frequency, that class is called as model class. So like this you write it down. And the whole concept of mod is, the first step will be you have to find the highest frequency. That is called as maximum frequency. That should be written, and related to it the model class. If this you are able to write, then only you can move further, otherwise you cannot. Okay, now this topic, this practice set you will solve only by using the formula. So the formula is this, which you have to by heart. Okay, mod is equal to L plus this full formula. So now step by step I will tell you. Here L is called as lower class limit of the model class. Now we have found L. Now 4 to 5, lower class limit is 4. I told you all, this is the upper class limit and this is the lower class limit. So lower class limit of the model class, 4 to 5. So 4 is the lower class limit. Okay, after that F1 is equal to frequency of the model class. Frequency of the model class. Now what is the frequency of this? Is 4 to 5 is the model class. So 80 is your frequency of the model class, and that is denoted by F1. So F1 is equal to 80. After that you have been asked here F0. F0 is equal to frequency of the class preceding the model class. Preceding the model class means what? Before. And succeeding means after. So you have been said that F0 means preceding the model class. Preceding means before. So what is before? That is 70. So we will write 70. Okay. Now F2, frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Succeeding means, as I said, afterwards. So what is afterwards? This is it. F2. Okay. Preceding before, succeeding afterwards. So 60 is the answer. So we will write here 60. And class interval of the model class, upper limit minus lower limit, 5 minus 4, that is 1. So you have got all the values which you have to write this formula, substitute the values and do the calculation and complete it. Now these all values we have written once again. Okay, so write the formula, substitute all these values. L is 4, write it down, then plus bracket F1 is 80, substitute, minus F0 is 70 upon 2 into 80. 2F1 means 2 into F1. F1 is 80. So 2 into 80 minus F0 is 70. Write it down 70. F2 is 60. Write it down 60. And H is 1 into 1. So which is equal to 4 plus, solve the bracket. 80 minus 70 is 10 upon 2 into 80 is 160 minus 70 minus 60. Now no need to write into 1 again. Okay, it is understood. Which is equal to 4 plus in bracket 10. 160 minus 70 will be 90. 90 minus 60, which is equal to 4 plus 10 upon 90 minus 60 is 30, which is equal to 4 plus 1 upon 3, which is equal to 10 ones are 10, 10 threes are 30. Okay, then if you want, I'll write it down. So 4 plus 1 upon 3, which is equal to 4 plus 1 upon 3 is 0.33, which is equal to 4.33. So write the conclusion. The mode of fat content is 4.33%. Okay, like this you have to solve. This finding the mode is very easy because you have to learn the formula and do the substitution.